Subject English, Standard 4th. Hello students, I am Shruti Nanaure. Students, today we will learn the poem on planting a tree, adapted from An Arbor Day Tree. In this poem, we learn how birds, animals, and children make use of the tree, and hence the trees are a solace and a boon for them. Students, let me recite the poem for you on planting a tree. Dear little tree that we plant today, what will you be when we were old and grey? The savings bank of the squirrel and mouse, for robin and wren, an apartment house, the dressing room of the butterfly's ball, the locust and katydids concert hall, the schoolboy's ladder in a happy May, and the schoolgirl's tent on a holiday. And my leaves shall whisper then merrily a tale of the children who planted me, adapted from An Arbor Day Tree. Now, children, let us understand the poem. Dear little tree that we plant today, what will it be when we are old and grey? Here, children plant a little tree and fondly ask the tree as to what will it be when they grow old in age. The savings bank of the squirrel and mouse, for robin and wren, an apartment house. Here the tree replies, it will be a saving bank for the squirrel and mouse. Saving bank means a place where we deposit money we have saved for future use. A squirrel probably can hide their nuts as well as mouse can store things for difficult times ahead. It will also be an apartment house for the robin and wren. Apartment means block of flat or rooms of a house, but here it is a place to live for the birds. Various birds build nests using twigs and leaves on the tree. Meanings: saving bank, a place where we deposit the money we have saved for future use. An apartment house, here a place to live. The dressing room of the butterfly's ball, the locust and katydids concert hall. We see butterfly dancing from one flower to another flower, and the tree is said to be a dressing room for the butterfly where it can get ready for its dance. Dressing room is a place to change and get ready for a participant. It can also be a concert hall. Concert hall means a place to sing before an audience. For the locust means a large insect that lives in hot countries and flies in groups. And katydid. Now, katydid is an insect similar to a cricket. So, here the poet says that tree can be a place where the locust and katydid can sing their songs. Meanings: first, dressing room, a place to change. Second, a concert hall, a place to sing before an audience. Third, locust, a large insect that lives in hot countries and flies in groups. Fourth, katydid, an insect similar to a cricket. The schoolboy's ladder in happy May, the schoolgirl's tent on a holiday. In May holidays, the children have picnics under the shade of trees. It is fun for them to play hide and seek behind the trees. The schoolboy can climb the tree like he climbs the ladder. They also enjoy the fruits of trees, and the schoolgirl on her holiday can use it like a tent. And my leaves shall whisper them merrily a tale of the children who planted me. At the end, he says, the tree, its leaves will whisper. Whisper means to speak very softly using one's breath rather than throat, especially for sake of a secrecy. Here the leaves will rustle. Rustle means it will make a soft crackling sound which is caused by the movement of dry leaves, and merrily means happily talk about the children who had planted it. Meanings: merrily means happily. Now, once again, we will recite the poem on planting a tree. Dear little tree that we plant today, what will you be when we were old and grey? The saving banks of the squirrel and mouse, for robin and wren, an apartment house. The dressing room of the butterfly's ball, the locust and katydids concert hall, the schoolboy's ladder in a happy May, and a schoolgirl's tent on a holiday. And my leaves shall whisper then merrily a tale of children who planted me. Adapted from an Arbor Day tree. The first question: write the rhyming words from the poem. First, today, grey. Second, mouse, house. Third, ball, hall. Fourth, May, holiday. Next question: fill in the blanks and complete the poem. Here you have to write the words and complete the poem. First, dear dash tree that we dash today, what dash you be when we were old and grey? Dear little tree that we plant today, what will you be when we were old and grey? Second, the dash room of the dash ball, the locust and katydids dash hall. Answer: the dressing room of the butterfly's ball, the locust and katydids concert hall. Third, the schoolboys dash in dash May, and the schoolgirls dash on a dash. Answer: the schoolboy's ladder in happy May, and the schoolgirl's tent on a holiday. Next question is: match the columns as mentioned in the poem. Here living and non-living things are given, and you have to find the answers from the B column and you have to write in the answer column. First, squirrel, saving bank. Second, robin, apartment house. Butterfly, dressing room. Schoolboys, ladder. Schoolgirls, tent. Locust, concert hall. So students, now it's activity time. Here activity is given. Draw picture of a tree in your notebook and color it. Write its uses in your own words. So here you have to draw a picture in your notebook and you have to color it. And along with it you have to write the uses of the trees in your own words. So students, hope you have understood our today's topic. So keep learning, stay safe. Thank you.